Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will end. Corona recovery program है आपका one-stop solution to fix all these problems. ये simple to follow regimen specifically डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है. Easy to follow, slow and controlled body movement से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है शोल्डर सर्कल्स. ये सभी एक्सरसाइजेस आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. I'll be sitting down. Make sure that you hang your hands on the side, arms straight. Lift your shoulders up to make a circle and then back down. Let's do 8 circles in one direction. And opposite, 8 circles again. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our arm stretch. Interlock your fingers, take a deep breath in, and stretch your shoulders out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, thumbs down. Breathe in and out. Palms facing out. Keep going. Feel a big stretch in your shoulders. Hold the stretch for a second or two and then change. Try to synchronize your breathing with your movements. So take a deep breath in, out, again in, and out. Couple of more times. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our shoulder stretch. So interlock your hands like you're shaking them with each other. Take a deep breath in. Stretch them all the way in the back. And breathe out and relax. Breathe in. Stretch all the way in the back. Let your shoulders open and stretch. Breathe out and relax. Let's perform 8 repetitions. And relax. So coming up next, guys, is wrist rotations. Stretch your arms straight out in front of you. Make fists with your hand and start making circles. 8 circles in one direction and 8 in the opposite direction. Change. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is a few neck movements. Let's start with neck left to right. Make sure you're sitting straight, shoulders relaxed. Look over your left shoulder, all the way, stretching your neck, and slowly over to the right shoulder. Do not lift or bend your shoulders. Over to the left and over to the right. relax. Coming up next, guys, is neck nods. Let's synchronize your breathing in the movement. Breathe in as you lift your chin up. Breathe out as you tuck your chin in toward the chest. So breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. One more time. And out. And relax. Lastly, guys, we will do head tilts, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Tilt your head over to the right shoulder, bringing your ear close to your shoulder. And up and onto the other side. And up onto the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out. Keep your shoulders relaxed as you perform this movement. And relax. Up next, guys, is sitting toe taps. So start in the sitting position and make sure that your back is straight as you breathe in. Breathe out as you lower down, keeping the back straight. Tap the ground and come back up. Breathe in. Breathe out as you tap the ground. Back up. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is single knee tucks. Start in the sitting position, back straight, lift your knee up to the chest. Alternate sides. Let's perform 8 repetitions on each side, 16 in total. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is alternate single knee extensions. So start with balancing on your toes, sitting erect, keeping your knee stable. Extend your leg all the way out, back in. All the way out, back in. Let's perform 8 repetitions on each side. One more time. And relax. So coming up next, guys, is our calf lifts. Stand with feet a little bit apart. Take a deep breath in. Lift your heels up, balancing on your toes, and slowly come down. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Finally, guys, our last warm-up exercise for today is ankle rotations. Let's perform 8 repetitions. 4 in the clockwise direction and 4 in the counterclockwise direction. Change your side. Opposite. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements and I hope that you're sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. Let's start with the asanas. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है in the standing position known as Vrikshasana, also known as the tree pose. Some of you might be familiar with this. Stand with your feet as wide as your shoulders. Bring your left leg up, balancing against the thigh. When you're comfortable with the balance, you can go ahead and lift your arms up into a tree. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds on each side. And relax. So guys, this was Vrikshasana. Let's repeat it on the other side, your tree pose. Bring your right foot up, balancing against the left thigh, and slowly breathe in and bring your arms up, palms together and hold. Feel tall, back straight. Your right knee is pushed back. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. And slowly come down. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला पोज है अर्ध पद्मासना, also known as half lotus. इसे हम करेंगे sitting position में. So sit down on the mat. Cross your legs in front of you. Lift your foot in the front all the way up and balance on the opposite thigh. This is half lotus, also known as Ardh Padmasana. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. Relax. Let's repeat it on the other side. Opposite cross. Bring the other foot close. Lift your foot up. Balancing on the opposite thigh. Knees pulled down. And hold. Relax. Guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है जठारा परिवर्तनासना, also known as the belly twist. इसे हम करेंगे supine position में. So अपनी बैक के ऊपर लेट जाएं. Start with hands on the side. Tabletop position. Breathe out as you bring your knees down. You can optionally look over the opposite shoulder. Come back and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा last आसन है जस्तिका आसना, also known as the superior pose. इसे हम करेंगे आपकी स्टमक यानी कि प्रोन पोजीशन में. So lie down on the belly. Relax your feet. Interlock your fingers and bring them behind your head while the forehead is touching the ground. Relax your elbows to touch the ground and hold the position.
This is supposed to be a very relaxing asana. Takes care of all the stress and relax.
So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स और अब हम करेंगे कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है 4-7-8 ब्रीदिंग। As the name suggests, you will breathe in through the nose to the count of 4, hold your breath to the count of 7, breathe out through the mouth to the count of 8. So with me, let's do it for up to 2 minutes. Breathe in through the nose to the count of 4. Hold your breath to the count of 7. Breathe out through the mouth to the count of 8. Relax. So guys, आज की हमारी लास्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है बेली ब्रीदिंग और डायाफ्रामेटिक ब्रीदिंग। इसे हम लाइंग डाउन पोजीशन या सिटिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं। Since I've already done the lying down position with you, today I will do it in sitting position. So fold your legs underneath. Make sure you're sitting comfortably. Hand on the heart, on your chest, and one hand on the belly. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe in through the nose, feel your stomach expanding with the hand on the stomach. Feel your stomach pushing out on the hand. And then when you breathe out, feel your stomach contracting and feel your hand moving in. So breathe in and out. Deep breath in until the lungs are fully inflated, and deep breath out and pull your stomach in toward the spine when you breathe out. Push your stomach out when you breathe in and pull your stomach in when you breathe out. So you can perform this for up to 2 minutes. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements and I hope that you're not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for cutting edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.